Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deploy the Google AI Studio app on Google Cloud. First, open the Google AI Studio website on your computer and log into your account. Once you're on the homepage, click on Build from the left side menu to access your apps. Next, click on Your Apps from the left panel to see all the apps you've created. From the list, select the app you want to deploy, for example Flash UI. Now, go to the top right corner and click on the Deploy App icon. You'll see an option to deploy your app as a cloud-run service, which allows your app to be accessible via a public URL. The app will use your API key securely, so it will not be exposed. After that, select a Google Cloud project to deploy your app. If you don't have a project yet, click on Create Project. Here, enter a name for your project and click on Create Project. Once the project is created, select it from the list. You can click Refresh to make sure your new project appears. You can also view more projects if needed. Here, you will see important details such as the project number, project ID, and other information related to your project. Next, go back and click on Set Up Billing. Choose your country and then click Agree and Continue. On the next screen, you will need to enter your contact information and payment method. This is required to enable billing for your Google Cloud projects so you can deploy and run your AI Studio app. Once billing is set up, your project is ready and you can proceed to deploy the app. After deployment, your app will be live as a cloud-run service and accessible via the public URL provided. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.